Hello, everybody. This is Charles Anderson, and I am just a guy from Goodwell, Oklahoma, and I have a really great video game idea. This, I guess, rant, blog, just whatever it's called. This is going to be on setting up for that designer that has their video game idea, and they're wanting to make it. Okay, I'm basically just going to be covering some things and option for accomplishing that I want to make a video game. All right. Now, what I've discovered is that they have under Microsoft has this Visual C Sharp 2010 Express. This is the version that I've got. They may have the latest one out there. When you, the poor video game programmer, decide to go out there, and this is just one of several options. This is the one that I'm covering. They'll have that, and of course XNA, Game Studio Device Center that they've made. It's like a plug-in for this C Sharp Express Edition. Then for creating my assets, we're going to have GIMP 2, Blender, 2D, 3D, and got some music. And to pull it into this C Sharp thing, they've got the Microsoft Cross-Platform Audio Creation tool. When you want to create a video game, I'm just going to go over here to the Xbox Live Indie thing. Of course, I'm just a guest here at this time. I mean, I've got my account, but they'll tell you, they'll step you through how to download it, how to register with everybody, and this forum right here is where you'll be able to, as you learn the language, ask a lot of questions and get your answers so that you can program. Yeah, there we go. And of course, I'll be on there here. I see this. Yeah, I'm Relic 724 in these forums. So I'm actually already signed up in this. So I'm not going to cover that, how to download and that stuff, because that information's already there. So get you some learning on. I will, however, in this one, start up a project. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to fire up my program. All right, here we go. I'm going to get, now I already have one named Idiog. I've already got it set up. So I'll just do something similar, but it's not going to be that. So I'm going to create new project. All right, and because I have the XNA Game Studio plugin thing for this, I can go for like Windows game, Xbox 360 game. Of course, I'm going to be doing a Windows game. Now, possibly I might want to do a Windows game library. I'm going to check in with it on the forums at first, but for your standard Windows game, give it a title. Derp. There we go. The solution name's derp. Make sure, like me, I have a spare drive that I save this on just in case my main drive goes down. Redundancy saves you. You got create directory for the solution. Okay, good, groovy, great. Bam. I've just made a game. As soon as it referenced component. Yeah. Okay, there it goes. It makes it. All right. So hey, it just made it, and now it has a bunch of stuff that we don't know. But here, check this out. We can play it, and even now, it runs. Oh yes, isn't that really unexciting? But that's we're just starting up the thing. Now, I know that I will be having content, and on my content, I'm just going to go right now, and I'm going to add folders. Just to keep my thing organized. So, there's stuff that I'll be pulling in from GIMP. I'll call that let's call it bitmaps. Why not? Sounds good. I can also call it texture 2D or whatever, but I know that bitmaps, 2D pictures, whatnot, that's going to be in there. And I'm also going to add, I'll have some models that I'll be pulling in from Blender. So yeah, I know I'll have that. And let's see what else. Ooh, I'm also going to have sounds. Got to have laser beams firing. And let's see what else. Oh, music. Yeah, I gotta have video game music. So, bitmaps. Maybe I want a title screen. That's that 2D stuff. I'll have like a graphical. Oh, right. And if I want to write stuff, I'll probably need some fonts. Yeah, there we go. So now here I've just organized stuff, and when I add stuff to my game, I'll just throw it in a folder and then make sure to reference it correctly in the code. And there we go. Uh, Also, there's this program like right now. I've got Game One CS. This is one of the things, and if I need to like analyze stuff, look at that. Oh, I can pull the thing out, and can I miss it? No, I can't minimize. I could probably do like this. Oh, yeah, look at that. And, I can work on my code, and here's my Explorer. That's one of the cool things about this, is that you can move that stuff around. And if I want to put it back in, am I out of luck? Well, anyway, I could probably close it, and then reopen it. Yep, there it is. So if I need to redock it, and there's a lot of cool features where like it'll suggest stuff to you, show you what scope you're in. I'll go into more stuff in more detail, but basically, hey, we've just created a new solution, as they like to call it, game as I call it, and there's a content side where you got stuff outside of the program, but you'll need it to run your program, and then there's your program itself. So that's how to do it. All right, guys, I'm going to cut it right here due to time constraints, and this is the first in the video game series because I'm working in the Microsoft Visual C# 2010 Express Edition using XNA 4.0 Refresh, and other tutorials will be coming along, and my next one will be I'll explain some of the architecture for XNA inside of C#. All right, and save it. Yes, of course, save it. There we go. All right, y'all have fun. Peace out.